Leatherhead 1973. And today I wanted to, well, first off, I wanted to wish everyone, yes, without my mask on and with me being totally upfront without hiding my face, I would hope and wish everyone the best for this new year. And whatever they have going on, I support them 100%. And, I think at some point a while back, I might have said that I wouldn't be on YouTube for a while, someplace. But making this video because I didn't make one on the new year and I wanted to make one now. So, upon introducing myself once again to all you fine folks out there in the United States of America, and anyone who chooses to watch my channel, I give a great support, and I'm just really hope everyone has been having a great new year and been kicking ass, man. So, you can also find me under the Butcher or Leatherhead, Sergeant Boots, Brendan Sarchett, under any of those aliases, including my name. Look me up on Facebook, Instagram, just Instagram, YouTube, you name it, I'm on. But what I did want to, for my first purchase just recently, I would like to show you guys what I just was able to establish myself with. A Steel 011 AVT. Very clean, very beautiful. Just your standard, like home lawn cutting chainsaw. Good look at that here. She is a beauty. She is a beauty, and I'm glad to have her. I'm currently selling her, though. Excuse me if my words and my text, my vocabulary isn't coming out very well. I will admit, I just smoked a lot, probably no more than 15-20 minutes ago, and I came down here and decided to make this video. So, I am high, I'm stoned. But let's just keep going with this. Fuck it, man. Fuck it. Let's just keep doing this video. It doesn't fucking matter right now. So yes, this is my Steel 011 AVT electronic quick stop farm and garden chainsaw. Feel free to look me up under Fall October 2013. I will be selling this chainsaw amongst with two others, my Craftsman 3.7 vintage 80s saw and my McCulloch Mac 15 1968 professional grade chainsaw. I will have all three of these listed up. Please feel free to bid or to purchase these saws. I do this for sorts of business when I need money, amongst other things, and it's my hobby. So again, feel free to look me up anytime on Leatherhead 1973, YouTube, or on eBay under Fall October 2013. If you're there, I'm around. So I hope that I see some great people, some great people, YouTube or otherwise. And anyway, y'all have a good night. Take it easy, keep rocking, and remember, you are number one.